Unit 114, task 3, this portable power tools assessment again, this time using routers and senders. So on this task you will have to use a router with 3 different type of cutters. You can see you've got a housing to do, a rebate to do, and a overload mold to do, which is stopped at a measurement which is specified here. So for the housing you will be using a jig. So there is some clear measurement here, 175. This is that line, so you need to mark that line, and then you find your 22, and then I will show you using the jig. So this is the jig for the router. You will put your piece of wood there and turn it over, and your router, which will here, the collar there, will stop into here, will touch, and therefore cut at the right distance over where you need your 22 mil. This will be obviously set up by yourself with a depth which will be also following the specification. All the routers that you will be using must be pad tested. Check for the leads that they are all safe to use before we use them. Then you've got another cutter here, this one, for the rebate, which is set up as well on the wheel, and an overall cutter also set up on the wheel, so it'll be very simple to do. So back to the drawing, you can see using the jig you will make sure that it is exactly at 175 and 6 mil deep, so that's the first one to do. Personally I will do the overload next. Again, you got a measurement 150 for you to mark, and you start here, come back a little bit, and then you do your corners without breaking out or burning, especially on the end grain. And then finally using the other router to do the rebate. The rebate is 10 by 10 all the way, and that's it. It's a very quite simple task. 2 hours is plenty of time to do it. When you are finished with the routers, all you have to do is to sand the face so it is all nice and clean. So sand off, marking out lines from the face side without rounding the edges. Once you've done that, the assessment is done. Come and see me and we'll mark it out.